be real, most of us aren't struggling with the lack of goals. We're struggling with how to stay focused, how to stay consistent, and how to actually finish what we start. If this sounds like you, then you're in the right place today. In today's video, I'm giving you real life strategies that help me stay productive, finish my daily tasks, run a business, create content, be a student, and get all A's and one B, all without losing my mind. So here are some systems that actually work, and I'm going to share with you how I am using a new app. It is called Tana, which has literally become my second brain. It helps me to keep my day organized. It helps me with voice memos. If there is something that I am needing done, I add it to my Tana list. And it helps me knock out my tasks faster. And I'll show you guys how it all works. So I use the mobile app for powerful voice notes that transform my speech into transcribed, summarized, ready to use text, my tasks, decisions, ideas, and much more. I want you guys to go ahead and try Tana today. Click the link in the video below and increase your productivity as well. But that's not all. That is not all. We're also going to talk about how to level up your skills using your talents, build your brand, and to actually make money from marketing and from the internet and from talents that you already have. So if you are serious about getting productive and becoming more profitable, then grab your notes and open up your Tana app with the link in the description, and we're gonna dive right in right now. If it looks like I am staring away from the camera, it's because my teleprompter is right here and the camera is right here. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If it looks like I'm looking away, I promise I do not mean to be looking away. I need to figure out a way to do my teleprompter and also see myself full screen. I have a teleprompter app on my phone, but I do not like it because it kind of like keeps my focus away. But anyways, I just wanted to throw that out there. You guys, so step number one, before I go to bed, I literally create a to-do list for my next day. I will literally make the list and put it down by the hour. Like, this is what I need to do at this time. Basically time blocking, and I stick to it every single hour. If I get a random phone call, I'm like, hey, I need to call you back later, or I might call them back tomorrow. So I literally force myself to create a to-do list for the next day before I go to bed. I use alarms, I use timers, I use calendars. I put my phone on do not disturb until my tasks are completed, then I can focus on something else. Like right now, my phone is on do not disturb. Number two, you want to go ahead and optimize your environment, make it to where it is clutter free. I can't talk today. For a more focused workspace, I want you to pick up after yourself every single time that you use a single item in your home. I know this sounds redundant, but it makes such a huge difference. Another key factor to staying productive is by actually watching what you eat and paying attention of what you put into your body. I cannot stress this enough. I can lecture you guys all day about eating healthy, but it does play a huge part in your daily productivity. And try to stay away from sugars and starches early in the morning. I've learned that the hard way, but literally I do not take in sugar or anything, especially right when I wake up. I try to honestly not eat until like 2 hours after I wake up. Put this in your daily strategy and in your daily routine, and I promise you, your productivity is going to change. You're going to have more energy. But again, I'm not a nutritionist, so I'm not here to lecture you guys on eating healthy. Okay, so let's jump right on into how to turn your productivity into more money. So I want you guys to go ahead and start building your personal brand. I want you to have a great online presence. Use career builder websites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and many others. Have your resume readily available. And if you are focused solely on social media, then I want you to create what is called a media kit and have that readily available. If you don't know what a media kit is, or if you want to know how to structure it, then you really need to grab my brand pitches ebook that includes how you should structure your media kit. The link is down below in the description as well. So let's go ahead and talk about upskilling on a weekly basis. Now, if you don't know what upskilling means, it basically means that you are upping your skills on whatever it is that you like to do and learning new techniques into whatever you like to do. And I like to do this every week. I dedicate 2 to 3 hours to this and learning a different subject matter. If you are confused on where to start with upskilling, say you're on a budget, then I want you guys to go ahead and start with a YouTube course. And these are usually free. There are tons of influencers out there that still give out free knowledge, which I love. And another way to upskill would be through Google certificates. So Google has various subjects that you can tap into for various skills. I'm going to link it right here. And Google has had this going on for many, many years, but not a lot of people know about it. I literally once got hired after completing a few courses on Google for a job. Like they were just like, do this, do this, do this. And I did it in a weekend and got hired. And also, Google gives you certificates after completion. So you can print these out, you can screenshot them and add them to your resume. They will help you get a job. Trust me. Done it before. And if you're watching this and if you're thinking, I don't really want to learn anything new, or if you already know so many things, then I want you to just go ahead and use your current skills to make some money. And if you have a unique talent, say if you like to teach people, if you like talking, then create a social media page or a YouTube or etc. and just talk to people about that certain topic. If your talent needs visual representation only, then I want you to start creating content around it and the world will eventually catch on. I know it takes a lot of time, but the world will catch on. And if you're like, I already know all these things, then just go ahead and create an ebook. Creating an ebook is so simple. Not many people know how to do it though, but it is so simple. If you guys need help creating an ebook, then I want you guys to tap into my email. My email is going to be linked in the description below, and I can literally teach you how to create an ebook like over the weekend. So you can do it and have it ready. Or you can honestly create an ebook in like 1 or 2 hours, and then you link it back to your website. It's literally easy peasy. You got this. There are just literally so many ways to start making money. You can literally become an affiliate with a brand. You can create what I call UGC content for brands. You can work with a brand on their sales and management. There's just so many things. And if you don't want to work with brands, if you want to just like create your own brand, then do that, and start running ads to your social media pages. And if you guys need help running ads or don't even know where to start with that, then I can gladly help you on whatever social media platform that it is that you are using. Lastly, honestly, just use your current skills to start making money. For example, if you enjoy photography and videography, then charge people to do their pictures and videos. If you enjoy revamping furniture, then charge people to revamp their furniture. If you enjoy coaching people, then tap into coaching people on various subject matters. So I want you guys to like stop leaving money on the table. Reach out to people, make sales calls, reach out to people via email, like via social media. Like the worst answer that you can hear is no. Like stop being scared to hear no. I hear no like at least like 10 times a day. But you know what? I'm just like, okay, cool, whatever. Honestly, like I don't even get scared whenever people say no. Whenever people say no, what it boils down to is either they're not ready financially or just, they're probably not in the right headspace right now. And I want you guys to start realizing that as business owners, not everyone's gonna be ready to buy whatever it is that you're selling. Like, people have so much going on other than their business. They're not tapped into their business 24/7. People have family issues that come up. You might have emailed that person at the wrong time, and their wife is in the hospital getting ready to give birth. It's like they don't want to respond back to your email right now. So stop being so sensitive as a business owner and just realize, the more you keep reaching out to people, eventually they're going to say yes. Or they might just keep telling you no, which is totally fine. But, then just move on to the next person. There are millions, I don't know if there's billions of people in the world right now, but I've not calculated that. But there are just so many businesses out there. There are so many people doing their thing out there that I want you guys to start getting connected with people, because I really think in order to grow as a business owner or as a personal brand, then you really need to build a community. You need to be tapped into a community of people, whether that is even through social media. Like, that's totally fine if you are just super introverted like me. But yeah, start building your platform on social media. Start reaching out to people via socials, and just stop being scared, you guys. Like, stop being scared. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I really do want you guys to go ahead and download that Tana app. Again, the link is going to be down in the description. It is an amazing app. It's new, and I want you guys to get your hands on it before they up their prices, because I know they will, because it's an amazing app. So I want you guys to be like the first ones to get in on it. So yeah, that's basically it. um, Go ahead and be great, you guys. I adore you. Thank you for tuning into this video. And again, I will see you on my next video. Stay productive, stay focused, and stay blessed. Peace out.